The Citation V, one of the most versatile light jets from Cessna. With comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers and a large baggage area, the Citation V is ready to carry you quickly to any of the over 5,000 airports located in the United States. Serial number 234's center club seating arrangement is appointed with dual fold-down executive tables. Hardwood sliding doors conceal a private lavatory that includes belted seating for an additional passenger. Exceptional short-field capabilities and cruise speeds of just under 500 miles per hour make this aircraft a perfect choice for your domestic travel. Flying to multiple destinations in a single day is easily accomplished. Passengers can conduct business en route or just relax in a secure environment. The Citation V, serial number 234. AvPro, celebrating 20 years of excellence.